Hi there. Today I'm going to upgrade my stock halogen reverse lights to LEDs. I got this LED bulb kit from Alla that is advanced LED lights for automotives. So I'm going to use this Alla LED bulbs to upgrade my backup lights. Let me show you how this bulb looks and let me show you how to install them on your 5th Gen 4Runner. Going to open this. Right, this is the package. So this is how the bulb looks. Let's install and see how much good that they are. Alright, first let's remove this panel to access the reverse light. I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver to remove this panel. It comes off very easily. And then you're going to remove this last bulb. So this is the reverse light. Turn it anti-clockwise. And remove the bulb. Just like that. Now get your new reverse light. Plug it in. Now before you put it inside, test to see if that works. Now you can insert the bulb back in. Just go the opposite, turn it clockwise, you hear the click, it's good. Now I'm going to place the plastic cover back.